In today's video, I'll show you how to make a playlist on YouTube on your phone. It's very simple and I'll show you everything you need to do in this video. So first, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account and go to the YouTube app. Now then we need to go to the library button, which is in the bottom right hand corner. And then scroll down and you should see here new playlist in blue. So click on new playlist and here it's going to give you the option to add recently watched videos. But if you don't want to add any recently watched videos, click next. And then you can give your playlist a title, so I'm going to call it test, and you can either make it private, unlisted or public. So if you want a public playlist to be on your channel, make it public and then click on create. Once you've done that, you'll then be taken back to your YouTube library. You can then click on the playlist and here is that playlist. Now to add videos to a playlist, you can go to your library, you can go to your videos, and here you should see all of your videos that you've ever uploaded. I'm on a different channel here. But if you want to add a video to your playlist, all you need to do is click on the three dots next to the video you want to add, and then click on Save to Playlist. It's then going to open up all of the playlists that are active, and then you can click on that playlist. And that's all you've got to do to create and add a video to a playlist.